Hi, 7th grade scholars. This is Miss Tillman coming with your daily practice for Thursday, September 17th and Friday, September 18th. Some reminders. Make sure that you are doing your daily attendance. Make sure you are checking your emails. And make sure you are watching the videos that are being provided for you. This video is found behind my picture. Okay? Please do not omit the step to watch the videos behind your team. This is how your instruction is being modified. Pretty much it's being done in 3 different methods. I hope that you have noticed either you're getting additional instruction or changing the amount of minutes that I want you to do work, or changing the amount of attempts I want you to work on an assignment. So please pay attention to those videos and get your modification for your daily instruction. Okay, today, Standard L 7.4. Determine and or clarify the meaning of unknown and multiple meaning words and phrases based on grade 7 reading and content. Choosing flexibly from a range of strategies, among them being context clues, word parts, word relationships, and reference materials. Learning target. I can use common prefixes, word parts, to determine the meaning of words. Now, today, the first thing that I want you to take care of is your pretest for pre and post. If you go behind this image right here, you will find a PDF that shows you the pretest. Now, you're going to post your answers to the pretest on this Google Forms link. Okay? Now, once you put in your answers and click submit, it's going to auto grade and your score will be sent to you through email. I will have a copy of your score and your answers on a Google Sheets. So there will be no need for you to submit a screenshot or anything related to your pretest to me on Canvas. There's no need for it. I will have it on that Google Sheets and you will receive your score through your email. Please do not use 2-column notes for the pretest. You're doing a pretest. I'm trying to see what you already know to determine whether or not you're ready to move on from this set of vocabulary and advance to another set, or whether or not you need to stay on this set. So please do not use your notes for the pretest. Now, teach and learn. You are going to submit the following items on Canvas, and this is your pre and post 2-column notes. Once again, you do these after you have taken the pretest. Okay? Now, if you go right here to this link, you have another PDF. Okay? You can print this, or if you don't have access to a printer, you'll need to write them out. These are words that have the prefix pre and post on them, and definitions for the words are also provided. Once again, those are your 2-column notes. That's the only thing you're going to submit to Canvas. Please do not email me your work. That is a risky thing to do with the amount of emails that I get daily. Please follow directions and simply submit your work to Canvas. To get 100 for today, the only thing you need to do is to get your copy of those 2-column notes. We will be using those on various activities, so it's very important that you have them. Now, please understand, you have until Monday to get those 2-column notes completed. So once again, by Monday, I want you to post those 2-column notes onto Canvas. Now, a few more reminders I want to address with you. I sent out some important dates. I sent out information about MAPS testing. You're going to take that on a Monday and Tuesday coming up soon. I sent out also a reminder about progress reports. Please, 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 please get as many assignments turned in as soon as possible. Okay? I would love for your first progress report to be a good one to share with your parents. So please, let's buckle down. Let's do what we gotta do, and let's get this work turned in. Okay? If you have additional questions, you know that you can email me, Google Voice me, or remind me. Okay. See you later, Cougars. Bye.